Hi guys, it's been a while since I've made a video, but I was gonna make a video about hate to my channel, even though I've only had one dislike. I'm just moving something. I just threw it. And it was on my video with King Otto. Not the one where I reacted to him. Everyone loved that video for some reason. But if you are the culprit of disliking my video, congratulations, you're the first person to dislike my videos. And hey, maybe someone didn't know how to spam bot. So what they said was, this video was so good that I want to turn my screen upside down and like it again. Wait, there's a sprint button now? Wait, no, I'm not ready. Oh my goodness. When I land, it's not going to be pretty. YouTube, don't demonetize this video. Oh no, my body has been torn apart. Okay, that wasn't even like that bad. Oh, still going. I've played this game before, not on the channel. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. But I played it before. If you guys aren't blind, to those of you who are blind, I played this before. But then why would you be on YouTube? Who cares? So, I currently have broken... No, quit moving. So that was my introduction. I should have just cut to when I jumped off of a cliff. The person who disliked that video, I mean, would probably be celebrating like, oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't know what happened. I'm still moving. What does this do? No! You suffered enough. I don't even have like the upper half of my body. Well, what happened to the upper half of my body? Let's play again. I did terrible. Well, let me guys show you the trick to this game. Is this sprint button? Oh. Okay, that's what it does. No. Annie. Well, it looks like nothing happened. If you're wondering what that was a private conversation. What does Star even do? I just wasted my time because it's probably better than the fireworks thing. I wasted at the last second. I don't know what it does. Maybe it gives you a boost of speed? I'm gonna have to reset my character. No, the game is too well made! Oh. Why do I get so much money for this? I'm sorry if you guys just... You know what, who cares? Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, if you guys want me to do a myth video, if this video gets 2 likes, I will do a video going to the myth containment facility. Woohoo! Wee. This is going to hurt. But anyways, if this video gets 2 likes, I'll do that. Where's the rest of my body? Get back here. No. Is my Roblox character like a mutant or something? My body just came apart. And then it just like, I was falling. And then literally my entire body just reconnected. I don't know how that works. I get 59 average breaks. That's terrible. There's people who have gotten over 1 million breaks before. Imagine I'm pretty good at this game. I just need like to be better at it, I guess. You see, the physics of this game are really weird. Like, you can fall all the way from the top of the map, like, way up there. Oops. You guys don't need to know what I've been doing. This is why it sucks to be a mobile gamer. I believe I can lag. I believe I can... Ow! I believe I can lag. I believe I can lag. Da-da. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. You should break every... And how do I not break any bones from my body just coming apart? Is this a new feature for hitting speed so fast that you would... What? All I can say about this is that I broke the sound barrier. Okay, I'm starting to slow down. What was that? Well, at least I know what I'm gonna call this video. But what was that? If I land... Oh no. This is not going to end well. How long have I been recording? a swift 10 minutes. I have around 4 minutes left. I want to go over here by the rocks. Who knows where the rest of my body is? I'm just like a butt or something right now. I just broke a bone midair. Oh, I'm hitting the border, I think. All I can say is, how am I still alive? I broke the sound barrier, so I should have just disintegrated. Well, not disintegrated, but I should have imploded. But hey, this is Roblox. How am I going so slowly? I think I'm caught on something. Oh, it hasn't loaded in yet. Another successful day in YouTube. No. No. I sound like PewDiePie. This isn't right. I wish I had the music I needed to play. But I can't edit videos. And you guys don't even. Okay. Well, guys, that is it for today. Leave a like and subscribe. Can we get 2 likes, not just for the Roblox myths, but to heal the injuries that my Roblox character has gotten. I don't know if he's gonna make it. 1 like equals. Oh, okay. No. 1 like equals 1 extra life. Bye.